Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about Shiba coin, friends. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram that what should we do at this time, as it is time to buy, sell or hold Shiba coin, friends. As you know, that is the last date of month. That is why a lot of people ask me this question, that it is the best time to buy, sell or hold Shiba coin, friends. A lot of people message me, so finally I can't reply everyone. That is why I decide to make a video for my viewers, from my subscriber, friends. So in this video I will answer your question, friends, so keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe abs tech channel and like this video, friends. Now first of all, we look the current price of Shiba coin. As you can see, the current price is about 0.00002 USD dollar is the currently price of Shiba coin, friends. If we look the price change occur in the Shiba coin, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, the last 1 week change is also positive, friends. That means that the whole change occur in the Shiba coin for in the previous last 1 week has gone highly and it goes is gone positive, friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction on the screen, 28.6 positive% change occur in the Shiba coin only in the last 1 day, friends. As you can see here, the chart tells us that continuously jumping period of the Shiba coin starts now from the yesterday, from the last 1 week, friends. And the highest price is the current price of Shiba coin. As you can see here, that is the highest price Sam, friends. As you can see here, friends. Now the question is that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Shiba coin, friends. That is clear that you are in the profit, friends. So if you are a short term investor, so I think it's time to sell it and take your profit and go away from the market. And if you are a long term investor, so it is a very best decision for all of you that you hold your coin with the last of this year 2021. Hold your coin, Shiba coin, with the last of 2021, friends, and the start of 2022. I'm sure that the Shiba coin can hit 1 USD dollar if this kind of change continue in a Shiba coin, friends. So if you are a short term investment, so it's the best time to sell, and if you are a long term, so you have to hold your coin and make a good amount of profit in the future, friends. Hope you like this video, and if you agree with me, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe abs tech channel for more news and updates.